Hi, I'm Lenny. I'm an apprentice at Real SFX. Most days I'm at the workshop, either offloading or loading vans and testing kit to see if it's in good working order to be sent out. Since I've been at Real SFX, when I'm watching shows on TV, I seem to focus more on the special effects and find myself thinking how it was done and how we could have done that. I've been on Doctor Who, Eternal Return, Dope Girls, and I think that's it actually, One of my favourite things that I've done is being on set on Doctor Who. I would like to get sent out more on set and work on more things. I would like to carry on my employment at Real SFX and learn to grow my skills further to become a graded technician. I would get to work on a lot more interesting shows and movies and things.